Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change your profile picture on Trello in 2025. If you're looking to freshen up your account or make it more personal, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. Trello has made this process super straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Open your web browser, go to Trello.com, and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Next, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually a circular image or your initials. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select View Profile or Account Settings. This might vary slightly based on the latest updates, but it's easy to spot. On your profile page, you'll see your current profile picture front and center. Look for an edit button, like a pencil icon or a camera symbol, right next to it. Click that to start the upload process. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a file from your device. Browse your photos, select a new image, aim for a clear, high-quality JPEG or PNG file that's not too large to avoid any upload issues. Once selected, you might get options to crop or adjust the image for the perfect fit. After making any adjustments, hit the Save or Upload button. Trello will process your changes quickly, and your new profile picture should appear almost instantly. Just a quick tip. If you run into any errors, double-check that your image meets the file requirements and try refreshing the page. And there you have it. Your Trello profile is now updated and ready to go. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.